I notice I have no sound bar when I'm on photo. Common sense with me. Yeah. Gotta have a little icon telling me that my mic is on if I'm in photo. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm walking the opposite way. I think we're gonna cut through and get this show on the road. It's not a warm day, it's a windy, cold day. And you're inside watching this nice warm video. I find it funny when AI is taking over and answering the questions, and just these are the 5 things they say. And you could program them to say what you want. Oh, look. Hit the button and it puts that down there and off they go. That's how I feel. And people are, catching on real slow. And they want answers and not repetitive copy-paste protocol AI. Well, did my talk. Heading on out, go do my walk. I want to stand still and say little. But the camera does a great job, as always. It shines bright, I'm able to put it on subject tracking, and off I go. I'm gonna walk the way I walk. I just gonna head on back. I'm done with my vlog for today. Joe won this time. I got everything I need to do. I'm gonna polish some things up. And I just don't get it, man. Put my stuff down the right way, not the wrong way. Wrong way just doesn't seem right. I got a battery. It went way beyond the threshold. Then there's a door nail. When I try to start, car just shuts down after a couple of seconds. So I grabbed the battery charger and I repaired it. It pulses power to the battery real slow. The battery was at 38, 42%. It went up to, you got it, 68%. And I got to finish the repair that takes 16 hours. I didn't want to leave it unattended. I got the slip so I could exchange it for a new one. I got 3 years of doing that. Yeah, man. Get the battery back in, put the solar panel back on, but something's like, not right. And yeah, get my car warmed up again. So yeah, I'm gonna put you away, take care of some business, and meet up with Joe. And Joe, not gonna win the next time. I'm gonna make sure we get it out the right way. I'll see you on the next video. You know who I am. I'm Fish.